Welcome back. So recently I was playing along with these two and I found a new way of the double stick rotation. It is not new. People are doing this but I figured it out recently only. See, martial art वगैरह ऐसी रहता है आपका. When you practice a little bit and after that some things you can figure it out yourself. Some new techniques and all. Of course you have to pressure test it. You have to, in case of martial art, stick rotation and all we are doing for show off and fun purpose. Of course applications are there, but more serious martial art things, I have this experience that after some time the techniques will come to you naturally because you are spending enough time with it. And this type of double stick rotation I have even seen in a few Silambam videos. Silambam होता है ना, वो लोग भी थोड़ा सा करते हैं इस तरीके से ही. So I don't know, is this Silambam? I don't know. Help me out in the comment section. यही है कि नहीं? देखा सांस बोल रहा है, देखा कोरोना है मेरे को. हाँ है, सच्ची बोल रहा हूँ. नहीं सच्ची, क्वारंटाइन है टेक्निकली. So that's all for today. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe. I'm joking. नहीं अभी दिखाता हूँ, रुको. So this one is nothing but a combination of this one. So this one everybody can do this, and just try to do it with both hands. And now these two we will do it together. So it will look somewhat like this. So this is the thing, and of course I need some more balance, some more practice, but good enough to share with you. So what we did over here is nothing but this hand goes like this, and by the time this one is doing this thing, this one will do this one. So this and this, or ye aage ye piche, ye aage ye piche. Let me simplify it for you step by step. Pay attention. ध्यान से देखिए इस टेक्निक को. So I always prefer to explain and to learn some new techniques using the smaller sticks. So ये PVC pipe है. So with this ये पकड़ना करें.
तो कैमरा कौन पकड़ेगा?
कैमरा छोड़ दो.
अच्छा,
This is very simple. ऐसे लंबे लंबे दो से अच्छा छोटा सा एक. This one nothing but try to make an X downward, like नीचे से ऊपर. Okay, down to up. It is nothing but bottom right to top left, bottom left to top right. Just try to do this. 1, 2, as if I'm making an X, like upside down. Usually we do like this. This is here. So to continue that X, I can kind of make it like an 8, and then it will become like infinity symbol, and then I can make it like this. And for a better understanding, अच्छा understanding के लिए ये देखिए, you are like this, like a first person experience. So like this, 1 and 2 and 3. This is how you have to do. So if you are me, I am you. Okay. So this is simple for everyone. With right hand, try to do the same thing with left hand also. With left hand, when you can do this, after practicing a few, maybe it will take 10-15 minutes, 20 minutes, and then I mean, because this needs 10-15 minutes and 20 minutes and maybe half an hour, maybe more, because this should be as fast as right. Otherwise it won't work. एक हाथ आपका चलता रहेगा, दूसरा हाथ ऐसे स्लो हो जाएगा, then it can't be. वो बीच में फिर डंडे टकरा जाएंगे. So you have to spend enough time to train your left hand to be as fast as your right hand. I mean, it will. I don't have left hand as fast as right, but still approximately थोड़ा बहुत manageable. Then when it is okay, ये दोनों पकड़ने हैं, and no. See, try to do both hands. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, very simple. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now just hold it like this and go 1, 2, 3 and 4. बहुत सिंपल है. और यहाँ से ये भी करते रहिए. ये और वापिस. As if I am doing with right hand, I am doing it over here sideways. ये same rotation that we learned, I am doing it like this. Instead of doing it in front, I am doing it over here. Okay. And that same thing you try to do with other hand also. And then try to do it together. It will take some time. See, 1, and same thing we are doing here, and try to do it together. When you do this, then it will be easy. So very easy, very simple. I'll try to show you again. It is like this. One hand goes here. Nothing to show. If you already know this one, slowly एक हाथ से करते रहिए, फिर दूसरे हाथ से करते रहिए, और धीरे धीरे एक साथ हो जाएगा. जब एक साथ होने लगे, when you are about to reach that almost you can do it together, then what to do? Hold it somewhat here, and then do the same thing. Don't think about this part. forget about this part, just consider the same thing. Okay, same thing, try to do the same thing. Okay, try to imagine only the upper part. This one will go automatically, and this one also, and then you can do it together. That is the technique. Of course, छोटा वाला जब ये नीचे आएगा, there will be a little adjustment that you have to do, but you will manage it. ये वाला दोनों हाथों से ऐसे 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 एक साथ किया था आपने, उसी तरीके से. Just imagine these are the same things, and I'll try to do it. Like this side you can do, okay. This side you can do, okay. I'll try to do it together. See, when you're trying to do it together, you have to manage this. ये दोनों आपस में नहीं टकराने चाहिए. So you have to do like this one goes, and then it makes the space for this one to go. So it will be somewhat like 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. It's not about explanation. You can understand. I know you can understand, but you can't do it. करते रहिए and you'll be able to do it. You just have to think about this top part, like a sword. And here, so one goes down like a down block, and like this, and then the other one, and then the other one, and the other one, and the other one. If you look at just one, I'm doing the same thing which we learned, ulta X. And this one also, I'm doing the same thing, and it goes together. And when you're easily doing this, you can hold it somewhere here, and then try it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you can hold it some more in the center, and then again you can do it. So this is the trick, nothing else. This one, ये जब लंबा वाला पीछे आ जाता है, when it is almost like same length, ये पीछे वाले का थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा, ये कभी-कभी ऐसे बच जाता है. So you have to see, it is like this, always like this, and the other one is also like this. It is not coming like this, ऐसा नहीं है. It is always going like parallel to my body, right? You understand? ये दोनों side में it is making like a wall, like this, and then these two together here. That's all. Let me know if this is Silambam. Of course, Silambam is a big martial art. Nothing. I mean, is this a part of it? So that's all for today. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and press the bell icon.